over tonight? Hell yeah, Justin, real. Justin, do you want me to send it now or like, is Justin coming? Everybody needs to chill out, dude. Like, it was really shitty and scary and I don't know how to deal with it, so.
I'm really sorry. All of my evidence disappeared and I had to get it in different ways, so we're not as prepared as honestly, I should be, but there's been really weird stuff going on and I lost like half of my iCloud worth of 2 years of evidence. But I do have every most critical court report for him where he's criminally charged or acknowledged.
Is literally spiraling on multiple Adderalls and an 8-ball of cocaine.
Yeah, we have evidence more than this.
Objection, Your Honor. Leading and hearsay.
I'm not really seeing a actual proof of service.
I'm not talking about it.
But it's very clear that there is a requirement in these types of cases that a person has to be personally served. So let me stop you for a moment. Ms. Brown, don't talk while he's talking.
No, I'm sorry.
But you have a habit of doing that even right now.
I'm sorry. No, I approve of it.
Just don't say anything for a few minutes.
I apologize.
Let's go on the record at this time in case number 25DV01049.
Yes, sir.
So both parties can hear and have a seat. That'd be fine right there. Good morning, both of you. In this matter, it's before the court on a request for domestic violence restraining order. Ms. Brown, are you ready to proceed?
Honestly, I should be, but there's been really weird stuff going on and I lost like half of my iCloud worth of 2 years of evidence. But I do have every most critical court report for him where he's criminally charged or acknowledged. And then I also have like psychiatrist notes.
Objection, Your Honor. Lack of foundation calls for speculation.
We had basically something wrong with our phones and Verizon even acknowledged that it wasn't right. So I had to change my phone numbers and I don't know what's going on, but yeah, we have evidence more than this. I don't know if we need a trial or not, but I have so much.
Well, let me explain how it works, and I'll go also to Mr. Robinson in just a moment. Well, let me ask, Mr. Robinson, are you ready to proceed to trial?
Yes, but I have a few things I need to discuss. For one, I showed up on July 2nd, thinking that that's when the hearing was, and the judge told me, only the judge in there told me that it was rescheduled till today. And the judge, last time I saw them on the 2nd, because I didn't know it got continued, told me that she had to serve me notice of this continuance.
Well, she may not have. I have the original proof of service indicate, well, let me back up. I have what is a proof of service by mail.
You want to call me a junkie? I smoked meth circumstantially and when it was around.
To you on July 15th. However, beyond that, let me go deeper into the file and see what else we have.
I also have another one too. I have 3 actually.
I never received any mail via physical or email. I don't have a physical mail address.
Proof of service with you today?
Yeah, and let me give you some context. Like, I love that you gave me that order. It was a super huge sign that you were listening, and I appreciate that for the record. I really do. You have no idea how hard this has been. But I had to go to a couple of different situations. Nobody could give me an answer on how to serve him exactly. The women at the front desk didn't even give me the proper service form for electronic service at first. So I spent hours trying to figure this out. And I did have an attorney that helped me. Pretty much what he said was that basically the only address that Nick's had since, we went homeless is because like it was our old house. And so he tried to at least send it to the management and our old unit as well. I have proof of that right here. And then I have proof that Justin also did.
Objection, Your Honor. Leading and hearsay.
I think I see what's happening here. You're having difficulty having a process server personally serve him with the papers.
Well,
is that correct?
Yeah, I think that's why you ordered the alt order, if I'm not mistaken. Also, he acknowledged he's seen it. He's on camera talking about it.
But it's very clear that there is a requirement in these types of cases that a person has to be personally served. Unless a special application is made to the court for an alternative service.
You chose that, sir.
Let me take a look at what you have. Give me a moment. I'll look at it.
Yeah, and I thought it was a godsend, just for the record, but I didn't ask for it, but I needed it.
Just that one page. I hand that
Oh, the
to
top
you.
one, okay.
And you're not here, Mr. Robinson, so I'll try to keep you updated on what I'm seeing. No, this isn't it.
Wait,
Hold on just a moment.
oh no, this is it right here. Sorry, I'm so sorry. So much stuff.
This is the order on the request to continue the hearing.
My bad. I had them mixed up. I'm so
All
sorry.
right. And this is the same thing.
Wait, really? It should say that the order is right there on it. The style. I had the front desk and the paralegals look at it. I was here for hours. I've lost work trying to make sure this is like, I have to have, I'm really, there's a reason I'm doing this, trust me. And I wouldn't be working this hard. And I spent hours trying to figure that out and nobody could I went to the administrator's office. I went to the paralegals at the self-help center. I went to the front. I Googled it. We had attorneys try to figure it out. I mean, we did beyond our best with this one, if I can be frank. And I have, like I said, he was mailed both through social media, also through regular mail, and then also through his 2 emails that he definitely gets.
I've never received any emails.
I was told by the front desk.
No, I have to have one at a time. Let me wait just a moment for both of you.
No worries.
I'm looking at the order from Judge Hayes on June 30th, 2025. And I'm going to verify it by looking at the actual one in the file. Notice. So it sounds like there was an attempt to make electronic service.
A variety of attempts, yeah.
And Mr. Robinson, you are saying that you did not receive anything, is that correct?
Improve.
Yes. I don't even know which of my email addresses she says that she had or sent it to, but they might be old ones I don't have access to. And regardless, when it comes to emails that I do have access to, I haven't received anything there either. And no papers in person, anything like that.
I have him on camera mocking the case somewhere in my evidence.
All right, give me a moment. Did you ever give him verbal notice?
Yes, as well. Yep, I did it over, I asked everyone and they said, okay, if you at least say it over, like, because we're both YouTubers. So he also acknowledged it many times and so it says.
Well, when I say verbal, hold on, Mr. Robinson.
We
You say
don't
you
have
talked to him
contact.
personally?
We don't have contact info, but he talks to me through the internet.
These types of cases, you have the trial. In this case, the court did not issue a temporary restraining order, so there are no existing orders
That was
right
that
now.
mistake, but they.
And you have a trial, if the judge finds sufficient evidence, he or she would issue the restraining order. If the court finds that there isn't sufficient evidence, then the court would deny the restraining order. It's pretty much that simple.
I do. Oh,
If you'd like, I can just set the trial date today. It'll be a few months off.
right. Okay.
And you can waive notice, Mr. Robinson. If you got the initial papers, the following papers really only give you the new court date, which I can give you today.
Yeah, that works.
So you waive further service of the papers up to today, is that correct?
Can you clarify what that means?
Well, in other words, you say you got the initial papers, is that correct? Her request for the
Yes, but-
restraining order?
No,
Yes, at the request. This continuance papers and discovery I have not received.
He's also admitted to wanting to.
Objection, Your Honor. Lack of foundation calls for speculation.
At this point.
Okay.
Yeah, no, I have.
If you have it, she has a,
Would you like to look at some of it?
no,
Okay.
not today. Today's not the trial. And I can't look at things if I'm going to, if you're not going to have the trial today.
I did have a
So
request.
I'm simply going to do this.
Or like she claims, she stalks my location, so she always knows where I am.
Mr. Robinson, let
always
me stop you for a moment. Ms. Brown, don't
Yes.
talk while he's
Sorry.
talking.
No, I'm sorry. He
But
just
you
wanted-
have a
I
habit of
approve.
doing that even right now.
I'm sorry. No, I approve of.
Just don't say anything for a few minutes.
I apologize.
All right. Mr. Robinson.
I smoked meth circumstantially and when it was around.
Certainly able to know where I'm at. She's proven time and again to basically track my location down. That's how she served me with the additional papers. So she can do that again.
All right, let's get a court date and then we'll figure out how to get the discovery. Both.
The reason that I'm worried is because the reason I was hoping you could at least glance over some of this is because maybe there was a way you could reinstate some kind of emergency order. It's unfortunate. He has active warrants for DV in Arizona. He also is committing cybercrime.
No, I'm going to put it on September 4th if that date's good for you.
It would be, but I don't want to wait that long while his viewers are stalking and harassing us.
I'm not going to go back over the temporary order that was denied.
Is there anything in place of that?
No, because that would be a trial if we wanted to present evidence. Mr. Robinson, does September 4th work for you?
Yeah, that works.
All right, we're going to set it for September 4th. The clerk is agreeing. It'll be Department 120. That'll be September 4th at 8:30 in Department 120 for a one-day trial. Now, that gives you each time to get the documents that you're going to present at trial to the other party. Each of you need
Excuse me.
to
No.
serve any documents or other evidence that you're going to present and a witness list to the other party. At least we'll make that 2 weeks prior to the hearing. So that'll be September 4th. So we'll make it no later than August 21st. That gives you each a month to do it. You can try to get it done right away.
Oh, I'm so confused.
Miss,
I'm not gonna lie. But I just don't know what's going on. I'm trying to figure it out.
Well, Ms. Brown, now that gives you each time to get the documents that you're going to present at trial to the other party. Each of you need
Excuse me.
to
No.
serve any documents or other evidence that you're going to present and a witness list to the other party. At least we'll make that 2 weeks prior to the hearing.
Oh, I'm so confused.
Miss,
I'm not gonna lie. But I just don't know what's going on. I'm trying to figure it out.
Well, Ms. Brown, you just need to get anything that you're going to present to the court